Hello and welcome to ISTV English News. Let's take a look at the headlines first. Manipur observes 67th Independence Day celebration amidst heavy security. One bomb blast before celebration at Moirangkhom. Now the news in details. Manipur observes 67th Independence Day celebration amidst heavy security cover inside the parade ground of 1st Battalion of Manipur Rifles today. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar, Ministers, MLAs, Parliamentary Secretaries, top officials of civil and police were also present on the occasion. Commandant 4th IRB IPS Lupsi Kipgen took part as parade commander of the 44 contingent which took part in the Independence Day celebrations. 12 police and IRB personnel were decorated with Police Medal for Gallantry and Police Medal for Meritorious Service. Police Medal for President in Distinguished Service was conferred on Ibo Halbi of CID. DSP Imphal West Dr. S. Ibomcha was among those given with Police Medal for Gallantry Service. DIG Range I. Clay Khongsai, SP Telecom H. Kulachandra were among those who were honoured with Police Medal for Meritorious Service. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi talked about a lot of various developmental programs taken up for Manipur and maintained that there is no question of losing any territory of the state. Taking a tough stand on the territorial issue of Manipur, he further said a committee has been formed to monitor the border fencing and the state government is very serious about the issue. Border fencing has been taken up under international norms. He further said the government will not remain silent if those UG groups under SHU groups violate the terms of agreement and the government will do the needful to tackle it. He also flayed the claims of various demands for statehood in Manipur, saying that it will not be possible at all. And going further, he said it will be possible only if the sun rises from the west. He appealed to the groups to settle all their outstanding demands through talks on the table. He also observed that it is impossible to gain freedom after gaining freedom. The integrity of Manipur will remain forever so long as the sun and the moon remain in our universe.
Administration has gone into the high university, high degree for the Yarding from the Viet from the Lona, or the Homeland.
While Independence Day celebrations were being carried out inside 1st MR ground, a bomb was exploded this morning opposite Hicham Yaicham Pat, just 250 meters away from the spot where Chief Minister Okram Ibobi was taking part in the Independence Day celebrations. The explosion, which took place at around 8:20 am, despite heavy security deployment in the area, shocked people around the locality. However, there was no report of any casualty. OC of Imphal West Police Station Shanti Kumar and IG LO1 Kailun and other police officials arrived at the spot immediately and investigated the incident. 11 youth who were around the spot have been arrested and brought to Imphal West Police Station for further verification. A team of Assam Rifles bomb experts with sniffer dogs has conducted search operations to inspect if there were any more explosives in the area. The impact of 48-hour Kuki State Demand Committee Bandh in Kuki inhabited areas of Manipur demanding a separate statehood for the Kukis was felt in Tengnaupal areas of Chandel district and Mahadeva area of Ukhrul district today. Bandh supporters in large numbers turned up at Saibol area of Tengnaupal subdivision and set on fire tires to prevent the movement of people. On the other hand, Bandh supporters in large numbers also blocked movement of people at Mahadeva on Imphal Ukhrul road. Slogans demanding a separate Kuki land were also raised by the Bandh supporters. General Secretary of Kuki State Demand Committee for Machi and Tengnopal Block, Langsun T. Mate, said the state government needs to pay special attention to the demand for Kuki state at the earliest. He further maintained that their agitations will continue until their demands are met.
Kuki state Akoi ipu ipa dagi horpenina akoi ancestral land se akoi amana yamna nungai na hingliba matam do adugum na akoi chu state phangadi akoi political representation su central or state or su yarani aduna akoi equal development, equal growth, inclusive development se yagani habigi akoi Kuki state se demand do.
Normal life has been severely affected due to the general strike called by various UG groups of the Northeast, including Korkom, and a conglomerate group of UGs operating in Manipur, against the holding of Independence Day celebrations in Manipur and the Northeast. Business and commercial activities in Imphal and other areas came to a grinding halt, and state and inter-district buses were off the roads. Educational institutions were closed, and movement of people and passengers along the road was very thin. Heavy security deployment was seen at various places. Apart from Korkom and other Northeast UG groups boycotting the Independence Day celebrations, Maoist Communist Party Manipur, URF and KCP-MC have also boycotted the celebrations. A man has succumbed to injuries after he met with a road mishap near a road median of Tidim Road at Airport Road. The unfortunate incident occurred as his dark-coloured Activa hit the road median. He was immediately brought to RIMS but died on the way before reaching the hospital. Documents to prove his identity have not been found from his possession, and the dead body remains unidentified so far. The deceased person is around 5 feet 9 inches in height, appears to be around 45 years of age. Having a medium complexion, he was attired in a white t-shirt, camouflage long pant, one Reebok shoes and a yellow and black striped shirt. The dead body has been deposited in RIMS morgue for identification. Independence Day was observed by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee at Congress Bhavan. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, several ministers, MLAs and Congress workers were present on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam emphasized the need for a social, political as well as economic independency on such an auspicious day. He further urged the people to be hardworking and to strive towards achieving an independent society.
amagi adugi adage khanba letara koi amato nya leminar kanda koi rajya se leba ase sakhatna ba aduga muk hena radio satam apulu satam se hena pangitan ne koi ministry hada project se pini india se marching ahead adugo koi bharat se ase prithvi gi वायदी कन बले बाक्सन मत यावरबनी अरबो पो कोइ मसिदा मसिदगी फाव लेबाक में यामिगी मांजिन थाबा अदुगु लेबाक को सो थोनि जबको लेना थपना कन्ना पुनमेन सी हेडन मसि पॉजिटिव
Independence Day celebrations organized by District Administration Imphal East was observed at the district headquarters DC complex. DC of Imphal East R.K. Dinesh, SP Angam Kamai, SDO and Adhyaksha of the district along with several other government officials were present on the occasion. A guard of honor was paid and the national anthem was sung while the DC hoisted the national tricolor flag. Speaking on the occasion, DC R.K. Dinesh expressed gratitude and appreciation to the officials of various departments within the district for their role in the development of the district. He further urged the people to support in any developmental work taken up by various departments.
The day is not far off when Imphal East will be the real capital of Manipur. All administrative hubs, legislative hubs, judicial infrastructure have already shifted to Imphal East district. This has put tremendous strain on all our officers who have to work hard to make it happen and let you in an environment which is not very peaceful. I congratulate you all. All this means development and progress at the speed of light, but we cannot rest on our laurels. We have to constantly reference ourselves against the best, not in Manipur, but against the best in India.
Later, the DC presented an Uttam Jiber Raksha Pathak Award to one KSH Rakesh from Singjamai Wangma Khetri Lekai. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur observes 67th Independence Day celebration amidst heavy security. One bomb blast before celebration at Moirang Home. Thanks for watching ISTV News. Do stay tuned for more updates.